Friends, welcome to the GK class. Today we are going to start with the discussion of chapter number 12, medical leaves. Medical leaves mean leaves having medicinal properties. In this chapter, student, we will discuss about different types of medical leaves and health benefits of medical leaves. And this topic is on page number 17. Now come to the page number 17. Plants have been used for thousands of years for various purposes. Scientific study has proved that some leaves taken as medicines are safer and more effective with no side effects. Let us study about some diseases cured by leaves of commonly found plants. First, we are going to discuss about the tulsi. Tulsi is known as holy basil. Tulsi is considered sacred in Hinduism and is worshipped as goddess of devotion in many of the Indian households. What are the health benefits of tulsi leaves? First is the extract of tulsi leaves is specific remedy for malaria and dengue fever. It effectively brings down the temperature. Second is tulsi has a beneficial effect in cardiac disease. It reduces the level of blood cholesterol. Third is the juice of tulsi is beneficial in the treatment of ringworm, leukoderma and other skin diseases. Leukoderma means melanin pigment present in the form of patches. Next is tulsi leaves have strengthening effect on the renal stone. Here we are going to discuss about the health benefits of neem leaves. All parts of the neem tree have their own benefits. One of the most beneficial part of this tree are its leaves. First is skin problem. Neem is known for the cure of acne, dark spots, scars and pigmentation of the skin. It works best when used in its original state. It soothes skin after chickenpox. Once chickenpox has been treated, it is advisable to take a neem water bath. It soothes your skin and prevents additional spreading of the disease. It treats insect bites. Applying a paste made by crushing neem leaves soothes insect bites. Furthermore, neem leaves also protects the human body against some poisons. It treats inflammation caused by insect bites. It protects against viral diseases. Neem leaves absorb the virus and accelerate the body's healing process. It fights off countless skin related problems. It also helps in blood purification. Neem is very bitter in taste, but if you use it well in your daily life, it has amazing benefits. It also helps in the purification of blood and keeps you fit and healthy by cleaning your internal system. Student, do you know who is the king of fruits? Yes, it's a mango. Now let us discuss more about the mango. Mango, the king of fruits, is a tasty and popular fruit throughout the world. Mango is the national fruit of India and Pakistan and the national tree of Bangladesh. Amazing health benefits of mango are: mango is loaded with vitamin A and vitamin C which strengthen the immune system and thus protect from various common illness. Mango being an excellent source of potassium helps to regulate blood pressure and prevents hypertension. Being rich in potassium, antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C, mango plays an important role in keeping heart healthy. Mango is an excellent source of vitamin A, which promotes good eyesight and prevents night blindness and dry eyes. Night blindness means a person is not able to see in dim light. Here we are going to discuss health benefits of eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil is often called the fever oil. This is because it can break the fever by reducing the body temperature. Eucalyptus oil can be beneficial for diabetic patients as it helps to control and lower the blood sugar level. It is often applied topically to treat skin infections. Eucalyptus oil orally can inhibit the growth of harmful pathogens in the colon and intestines. It acts as a vasodilator. Eucalyptus oil increases the blood flow in the body. Its antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial nature makes it the ideal treatment for respiratory problems such as asthma and bronchitis. Eucalyptus oil bears antiseptic properties and is used for healing wounds, ulcer, burns, cuts, and sores. So, here I would like to claim some of the fantastic health benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon is a natural herb which adds taste to your food, but apart from being used in cooking recipes, it has been used for medicinal purpose as well. Many people don't know about cinnamon, so here I would like to add it to your information that it comes from the bark of a tree. It is available in the form of cinnamon sticks, and these sticks are ground to make cinnamon powder. As we know, HIV/AIDS is a severe disease, and research is being done to invent the treatment of this disease. However, cinnamon is found to be effective against HIV. If you want to protect the heart, then take a small dose of cinnamon per day because it reduces your overall cholesterol. Now, next we are going to discuss what are the benefits of ginger. Ginger relieves digestive issues. Second is ginger may reduce the risk of heart disease. Third is ginger can relieve pain also. Ginger reduces inflammation. So student, I hope you have understood this chapter. Now solve the exercise and learn them. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.